Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a model kit which was released by Kotobukiya for the game which is made by Sega and was released September 9, 2009 for the Sega Arcade, which is a third person mecha fighting game, the Border Break. So I have here the Kotobukiya's Kisei Kuushiki from Border Break. So I was astounded by the looks of this model kit because at first I thought this was a Gundam, but I was fascinated by the design, and I had a hard time looking for this kit because I think Kotobukiya is not making this kit anymore, and I had a hard time looking in HobbyLink Japan and at the same time in Mandarake, but thankfully I found it on Toys, which is a hobby store or collectible store here in the Philippines. I bought this in a cheaper price of 6,000 pesos, and to be honest, it's expensive outside the Philippines, in Japan. But I bought this cheaper from Toys, and thank you Toys for selling me this kit at 6,000 pesos, I think. So let's build and check out this kit. The box art here shows the face of Kisei Kuushiki, and there's this blue lights, 4 blue lights that act as its eyes, and it says here Border Break. This is a 1/35 scale full action plastic model kit, and this was released by Kotobukiya in the year 2020. So this is released on November 1, 2020. But I really had a hard time looking for this kit. Anyway, the box already has dents, and the side of the box we can see the front view, the back view, and some action pose of the Kisei Kuushiki. So it's nice because the color is white with this green detailings. So it's not the typical blue, red, yellow color which I always see from model kits, and honestly I love the color combination of this kit. So green, black and white with some blue tinge on some armor. So this is nice. There's shooting pose, sword slashing pose, and some lunging pose for this kit. So the kit here has 2 weapon sets here. There is this sword, cool looking sword, and this cool looking rifle also. There's this interchangeable hands here, and I don't know what is this pieces here. Maybe this is for the energy packs, which is placed on the back of the kit. So this is the actual photo, straight build photo here for the kit. So it's a decent looking kit here. So if we open the box, we can see, the instruction manual. So this is my first time to see an instruction manual from Kotobukiya that is wrapped by plastic here, and we have here obviously white parts, white runners. We have white runners here again, some polycaps, gray pieces of runners for maybe the inner frame. Again, gray pieces here for weapons and inner frame parts. We have a white runner here. Gray pieces of plastic for inner frames, I presume. Yes, this is the light green runners here and gray runners combined. And light green runners, white runners, gray pieces for the hands, and these white pieces here for the guns. We also have small runners here for, I think this one for the visor. So this is blue, and another gray runners here. And I was surprised. I'm surprised right now because there's no stickers for this kit, meaning that the kit is color separated, and this is a plus point for me. Plus point that the kit doesn't use any sticker, unlike the Bandai. So as always, let's have a quick review of the manual and the runners before we build the kit. So we have here the manual of the border break. So it has the same appearance on the box art, and we can see in the back as Kotobukiya logo here. So if we open the box, we can see this card here. I cannot read this because this is in Japanese, but I think this is a Sega voucher, I think. And it says here, not for sale. Anyway, for those who had built this kit, please comment down on the comment section on what this card is all about. Anyway, we have here the statement here of the price here, and it says here Kisei Kuushiki. Yes, on the first part of the manual, we can see a very nice interpretation of Kisei Kuushiki and its pilot here, and there's this green aura on the pilot, so it's very nice. Looks like the IBO, and there's these poses again for the Kisei Kuushiki. So we see the parts list here. To be honest, judging the amount of plastics here on in my front, I can compare it to a master grade Gundam. So it's like a small master grade Gundam here, because I think this kit is 16 centimeters on size, so it's like a small kind of master grade, such as F91 and Crossbone Gundam. So it's like a high grade, a bit larger than a little large or big on high grade kits. Anyway, the instruction manual here shows the complexity of this kit. So I think I'll have a hard time on building this. It's like a master grade if I will compare it to other kits. And yep, it's black and white in print out, and I am impressed that this kit can carry all its weapon on his back, because to be honest, I like kits that can carry weapons on its back, and it will save me the hassle on keeping weapons on separate containers, and I can display all of its weapon while because it can carry the weapons. Anyway, let's get to the runners. We have here the gray runners first. Let's go to runner G. So we have here, I think, 2 runner Gs. The plastic of this kit is matted, matted color, so it's not that glossy, and I like it. I much like this kind of plastic compared to the glossy one, because it will not catch any fingerprints, and will not get messy because of the grease from my hand. And this is runner D. Yes, this is runner D, and this is runner N1. So there's this blade for the sword, and actually it's not it's not that sharp. This is smooth. The edges are smooth. Cannot cut my finger, and the sword looks cute. It's stubby. And we have runner E2 here for the inner frame parts. We have E1, so we have 2 sets of E for the inner frame parts. We have runner H. So these are gray plastics. So going on to again, we have here another gray. Runner F for the hand parts, the manipulator parts here. Let's finish all the gray first. So we have here runner O1 and another runner O1. So we have 2 runner O1. And last, for the gray, we have polycaps. So this kit has 2 sets of polycaps, basic polycaps. So we go to the white runners. We have here runner M1. We have 2 runner M1 for the white runners. We have runner B for the white runners. Runner A for white runners. This is for the armor parts. This is for the dorsal part of the hand. We have here runner K, K1. We have runner C, which is clamped together. So we have 2 sets of runner C here. Yes, we have 2 sets of runner E, and finally we have runner L1 for the gun parts. Yep, this is for, I think, the gun and the sword pieces. So going on to my favorite runner here, which is light green colored. We have here runner I. These are all small pieces of detailed plastic detailing. And we have here runner J. Again, these are small. We don't have any chunky green parts here. All green parts are small. So we have 2 sets of runner J. And finally, we have this small piece of plastic here, clear color blue, which is runner P1 for, I think, this one for the visor. Okay, anyone who has already built the kit, please comment on the comment section regarding this card, on what's the purpose of this card. And so we'll build this kit, this Kisei Kuushiki from Kotobukiya, which was a mecha character for their game Border Break for the Sega. And this is my first time to build such tedious looking model kit from Kotobukiya, because most Kotobukiya kit that I build aside from Sloids are very easy to build, and it's very fun to build. Anyway, see you next time, guys. This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and wait for the review of this kit, and keep safe, be healthy, and build Gunplas. Till then, goodbye.